This example will show you how to use the post-processing effects to add a warm summer haze to this scene. Selecting our post-processing object, you'll see again familiar 5 effects. Our color grading, we've increased the temperature to around 50, and we've changed the red channel, we've increased the red, and the blue, we've slightly reduced the blue quality of this. This adds in warmer tones throughout the scene and reduces those cooler values as well. Our bloom, this time we've increased, we've edited the color to have a slight gradient, we've increased the diffusion, decreased the softness, and increased our intensity. This creates much more of a blur around the objects close to the bloom and has that warm sun and a bright impact on the scene. The depth of field again has been used, this time bringing the focus in, emphasizing that hazy summer feel. The vignette this time, we've used a color, so it doesn't darken the scene too much, but it does draw focus in for the player into this center area. And the final effect is an ambient occlusion again, just to bring that contrast back so that we don't get too much of a washed out scene. Again, familiar 5 effects that we've used before, but to a very different quality, and you can see the impact that this has on the scene overall. Again, to have a fly through the scene, this will show the effect as it's in motion, as you would see during a game.